So kung kanina, meron tayong interrogative na ikutsu at nan plus suffix counter. Ngayon naman, meron tayong donokurai. Okay? Donokurai. So donokurai is used to ask the length of time something takes. No? So basically, donokurai is just how long. No? How long did it take to, how long does it take to do the verb? So you may use various expressions of time to answer. 7年間, 7年間, 1時間, 3分, any length of time. Pag tinanong ka ng donokurai, pwede mong sagutin. So let's proceed. Now again, donokurai is just used to ask the length of time something takes. So basically, how long mo ginawa yung something, how long naganap yung something, how long nag-exist yung something, donokurai. And then when you answer, an expression of time can be used. For example, how long did you study Japanese? Or how long does it take from Osaka to Tokyo? Gaano katagal ka nag-aaral ng Nihongo or Japanese? Gaano katagal para makapunta from Tokyo to Osaka? Alright? Bigay ko yung number 1 as example. Meron tayong how long, which is donokurai. How long did you study Japanese? Tapos, itong donokurai na to, since expression of time siya, pwede siyang ilagay sa pinaka-umpisa ng sentence mo. So, how long did you study Japanese would now be donokurai nihongo o benkyou shimashita ka? Donokurai nihongo o benkyou shimashita ka? So, pwede mo na sabihin ng 7 years. 7 years. Paano nga ulit natin ito sinasabi, Joe-sang?
7年です。
Or, pag gusto mo gamitin yung verb natin, meron tayong 7nen benkyou shimashita. Okay, so it's again, how long did you study Japanese would now be donokurai nihongo benkyou shimashita ka? And 7 years is 7nen benkyou shimashita or 7nen desu. Okay? Paano naman kapag how long does it take from Osaka to Tokyo? So, meron tayong from Osaka to Tokyo. Paano nga ulit pag ganito? Pag may from and to?
からまで。
Correct. Osaka kara Tokyo made. Paano mo tatanungin how long does it take? Donokurai? Ano nga ulit yung verb natin ng take na nagde-denote ng how long sa ating vocabulary for lesson 11? May nakabasa ba?
かかります。
Correct. So, paano natin ito sasabihin in Nihongo? May ansang, try?
大阪から東京までどのくらいかかりますか？
Correct. Kompeki desu. Perfect. Osaka kara Tokyo made dono kurai kakarimasu ka? Again, Osaka kara from Osaka. Tokyo made to Tokyo. Dono kurai, how long kakarimasu ka? Does it take? Okay, Osaka kara Tokyo made dono kurai kakarimasu ka? Okay, gato gozaimasu. Paano naman kapag gusto mong sabihin na it takes 2.5 hours by Shinkansen? Okay, kung maaalala ninyo, meron tayong mode of transportation. Paano nga ulit natin dinedenote ang ating mode of transportation? Anong particle yung gamit natin?
で、
De, correct. It's de. Okay, kung it takes 2.5 hours, paano kaya natin sasabihin ng 2.5 hours in Nihongo? JM-sang?
2時間半 po.
Correct. It's nijikanhan. Nijikanhan. Galing. Kampeki desu. So, JM-san, paano kaya natin sasabihin ng it takes 2.5 hours by Shinkansen?
Shinkansen de 2時間半 kakarimasu.
Correct. It's Shinkansen de nijikanhan kakarimasu. Again, naaalala nyo ang counters natin for kung ilang hours. It's not G, kasi ang G natin is o'clock. So, pag time, ang dinedenote natin, how long? Nani-nani jikang, blank jikang. And then, kapag may hours ka, 30 minutes. Katulad ng pagde-denote natin ng time, meron tayong hang. Pero, after na siya ng jikang. So, ni jikang hang. Alright, ay, katagazai masta. Paano kaya ang Joe-san kapag How long did it take from Manila to Quezon City?
Manila からケゾンまでどのくらいかかりましたか？
Okay, ano nga ulit ang Nihongo natin for city?
Chi po ba?
Correct, it's she. Arigatou gozaimasu. Yes, Quezon City made.
Okay.
Anytime na may city, ano po bang city? Taguig City, Taguig Sea.
マニラ市からケゾン市までどのくらいかかりましたか？
Correct, no? Manila City kara Quezon City made nan jikan kakarimashita ka? Okay, hi, arigatou gozaimasu. Any questions sa Dono Kurai? Going once? Twice? Okay, let's proceed to the next one. Meron tayong guray naman. Kung kanina, Dono Kurai, meron tayong guray. Okay? So, this guray is added after. Again, after. Quantifiers to mean about. Basically, anything na nagde-denote ng length of time, kung gaano karami, about ang meaning niya. Dadagdag mo lang after. So, for example, same sentence kanina. Ang answers lang, dinagdagan natin ng about 7 years. About 2.5 hours. Alright? Since alam niyo na kung paano yung first sentence, try natin. May ansang, paano nga ulit natin tinatanong kung how long did you study Japanese?
どのくらい日本語を勉強しましたか？
Correct. Dono kurai nihongo benkyou shimashita ka? Tapos kanina, nung sinagot mo siya ng 7 years, sabi mo, nananen benkyou shimashita or nananen desu. Pero ngayon, pag gusto mong sabihin na about 7 years, dadagdagan mo yung quantifier natin ng kurai. Again, quantifier plus kurai. So, ang magiging bagong sagot natin ay nananen gurai benkyou shimashita. Nananen gurai desu. Wakarimashita ka minasan?
はい、わ
はい、
かりました。
わかりました。
Any questions sa guray natin? Okay. So, punta tayo kay Josa. Paano natin ulit tinatanong how long does it take from Osaka to Tokyo?
じゃあ、大阪から東京までどんなくらいかかりますか？
Okay. It's Osaka kara Tokyo made dono kurai kakarimasu ka? Hi, arigatou gozaimasu. Paano natin sasabihin, Krista, na it takes about 2.5 hours by Shinkansen?
新幹線で2時間半ぐらいかかります。
Correct. Arigatou gozaimasu. It's Shinkansen de 2 jikan gurai kakarimasu. Arigatou gozaimashita. Any questions about natin? Any questions about gurai? Kung once, twice, dadagdag mo lang siya sa quantifier. Okay, sige.